Hi, this is Patrick Loader with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Check out this really nice 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX that was just traded into us. It's an all white hull, black bottom paint. It has a nice sun pad here on the back of the boat for when you're out entertaining at the sandbars. Nice walk-through, remote stereo on the transom. This has the ivory interior. Also has a snap-in sea deck, which is nice. Keeps the feet comfortable as you're hanging out on the boat. Nice wrap-around seating here. Plenty of room for family, friends, and your guests, whether you're just kind of tooling through the lagoon or if you're out anchored up at the sandbar. Another nice shot of the stern sun pad. Another seat right here behind the helm. Additional area under here for a cooler. Ski locker here on the floor. Helm chair, which is nice too with the seat raised. They have it's called thigh rise seating, so it can fold down, or you can lean it up because everybody likes to stand up and drive. This has the digital throttle and shift. Nice shot up here of the helm area. This has the twin screens, which was the newest upgrade on the SLX line. Twin SIMRAD, so you can have the GPS chart plotter, and you can also have all your engine communications. Tilt helm, nice push button switches here. Also have the stainless steel rim on the top of the windshield, another signature of the SLX line. Great seating up here in the front, little armrest too, same thing. Plenty of leg room for your guests. More cup holders, got to have plenty of those for your beverages. Additional speakers, grab handle with the vinyl coating, so this way you don't burn your hands. Additional swim ladder. Same area up here again. Sea Ray embroidery in the stitching. Did a really nice job on it. Nice shot here overall. It's a very big 25-foot boat and can handle everything. This has the manual tower on the boat, and it also has a ski pylon on the top. So this way, if you are into the water sports, this also has a standard cockpit cover and bow cover. And then it has the 350 mag, 300 horsepower. Great performance for this style boat. It has a lot of get up and go. So this way, if you have plenty of guests on the boat, and the same thing if you want to do the water activities with a tool, or a tube rather. All right, and then a nice shot of the engine here. So it's Mercury's 6.2, 300 horsepower. It's got the Halon bottle, real nice setup. Great power package on this boat. This boat can be seen in Ship Bottom, New Jersey at 609-494-2102. Give us a call to see this boat or any of our other boats. Thank you for looking.